When you search for something on Google or another search engine, it almost always gives you the most relevant links, though sometimes its algorithms don't work as well as they could. If this is the case, they will have to hire people to rate the links that come up in different searches based on how relevant they are. Today, we're going to talk about how easy it is to just rate the links that come up in certain searches. This is a very easy way to make money on the side, and it's great for people who like to browse the internet. Today, I'm going to tell you about not just one website, but 5. You can get enough money from these websites by doing a very simple task. So if you're interested, stay with me until the end of this video so you can learn everything you need to know about the websites and not miss anything. But before we start, welcome to MMO Girl, where we show you the easiest way to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified when we post a new video about how to make money online. This way, you'll know about it and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be afraid to leave a comment below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts about it. Let's go back to watching the video. All you need is a high-speed internet phone or computer. You can be a search engine evaluator if you have an active email address, preferably a Gmail address, and a PayPal account on a website I'm going to show you. What's the meaning of that? In a nutshell, you rate search engines like Google, Firefox, and Bing and test software or services for big companies. Okay, as we've already said, search engine evaluators can find jobs on 5 websites. Apen is the first name on the list. This is a machine intelligence company that helps the most innovative companies with AI projects succeed by doing data sourcing, data annotation, and model evaluation from humans. This is a website that finds and evaluates data, mostly for projects related to artificial intelligence, AI. Apen has been trusted by Amazon, Adobe, Google, Microsoft, and even well-known universities for more than 25 years to feed their mission-critical AI with data. This is because the company is a trusted partner that helps companies get the most out of their AI by meeting their needs for data sourcing, data annotation, and testing models in the real world. As a search engine rater in the app, how do you get paid? If you look at the website, you'll see that it has a service called Model Evaluation by Humans. This service has a lot of flexible part-time jobs like projects, microtasks, surveys, and data collection that involve testing and rating an AI program or search engine for clients. So to make an account, just choose one of the 3 ways to apply and sign up with your name, email address, and a password. This will take you to your dashboard where you can see all the projects you have to do, such as evaluating search engines. Just make sure that your PayPal account is set up to pay you. Lionbridge is another site that gives you simple part-time jobs. This is an American company that offers translation and localization services in areas like technology, gaming, life sciences, marketing, commerce, and more. Lionbridge is the right online freelancing company for you if you want to do more than just evaluate search engines. Since it's localized, the tasks or jobs you can do depend on what's available in your country. Don't worry though, because search engine evaluation is at most open to everyone in the world. Lionbridge is also 25 years ahead of the time when big companies like Expedia and BMW would trust it. To join Lionbridge right now, go to their careers page, click on View All the Jobs, and then look for the job or task you want to do, such as testing the market or evaluating search engines. To start your application, click on the job you want, look at the overview page, sign up with your first name, last name, email, and attach your resume to the application task box. And there goes your PayPal payment for the week. We are now going to the 3rd site. I hope you're still paying attention, because if you know how many websites there are, you'll have more choices. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let's go back to watching the video. Rater Labs is the name of the 3rd website, which is a branch of Apen. So if you sign up for Rater Labs, you'll be sent to the app. This is a remote company that hires freelancers to do work online or virtually. Independent contractors get jobs that are mostly active from Apen and mostly involve testing and rating tasks for applications, artificial intelligence systems, and search engines. If you already have an app in your account, it's pretty easy to log into this one because you pretty much use the same one. This is an extension site with the same sign-up, payout, and requirements. The name of the 4th site is Glassdoor. Glassdoor lets you look through millions of jobs and learn more about companies through employee reviews like search engine evaluations, which is what we're doing in this video. Glassdoor gives people looking for jobs reviews and information straight from the corner office. Employers also post job openings for free because they believe that you should have a job that loves you back. Glassdoor isn't a pleasant surprise like the others. You only need an email address or a Facebook account and a strong password to get started. You will be able to see a lot of job or task openings on your dashboard until you do this. Of course, don't forget to link your PayPal. WorkMarket is the last one on the list, but it is by no means the least important. WorkMarket is a company based in New York City that helps businesses manage freelancers, contractors, and consultants by giving them an online platform and market. This website will make it easy for you to pay because it offers secure and reliable payments on your terms and makes it easy to pay the staff with automated billing and multiple ways to pay online. To apply for the search engine evaluation job or the social media review job, go to the WorkMarket's homepage, look for the sign up option, and then scroll down to the sign up task box. Now you can move on, and your dashboard will show you a lot of tasks that you can do. Right now, everything is so easy to get into. You can sign up for just one or two of these sites, or you can sign up for all of them to get more work and make more money. So go get your phones and laptops and start your careers as search engine evaluators. All the best, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.